Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious caramel apples. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, wash the apples well with warm water. You can use any apples you like. I'm using ones that are quite tart because it pairs really well with the sweet caramel. And dry them off. And insert a popsicle stick into the top of each one. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. And set it aside for now. To make the caramel, in a large saucepan, add in the butter, brown sugar, light corn syrup, sweetened condensed milk, and salt, and heat it on the stove over medium heat and heat it until the butter has melted and the mixture comes to a boil, stirring it occasionally. When it boils, you can stop stirring it. Then you need to keep heating it over medium heat until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a candy thermometer, I'll show you how you can tell without one. This will take some time, about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't crank up the heat or it's gonna have a burnt taste to it when it reaches 240 degrees. 240 degrees is what's called softball stage, so to check if it's ready, first take the pan off the heat so it doesn't continue to cook, and drop some of the caramel into some ice water. Then take it out and it will give you an idea of how it's supposed to look once it's completely cooled. If it's really soft and sticky like this, it's not ready yet, so place the pan back onto the heat for a little longer. As it gets closer to temperature, you'll notice the mixture getting darker and thicker. At 240 degrees, when you drop some of the caramel into the ice water, it's called softball stage, so it should form a soft ball and it shouldn't be very sticky. So once it's ready, remove it from the heat and add in the vanilla extract and mix it in. Then let it cool for a few minutes so it's a bit thicker and a lot of it won't slide off the apples. Then dip the side of the apples into the caramel. Turn it around so it coats the apple. Lift it out and shake it to get rid of any excess. Then place them onto the sheet pan lined with the parchment paper. And if you like, you can also add other stuff to them as well. I'm adding some chopped peanuts to some of them. And others, I'm adding some M&Ms. Then just keep going until all the apples are covered, working quickly before the caramel cools too much. Then leave them to cool completely, which takes about 30 minutes. And if you like, you can also cover some of them in melted chocolate as well. And enjoy these delicious caramel apples. And that's how to make caramel apples. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.